Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Preet Birang. Welcome to my channel. So today I would be sharing with you guys a hair mask which I have been applying from so long, and it has worked so beautifully on my hair. And I would recommend you guys to try out this mask because this hair mask does wonders on your hair. Let's just get started and let me show you the secret recipe, the secret mask which I have been applying from so long to get that shiny, smooth, sleek hairs. So yeah, let's just get started. We usually know that sometimes due to our busy schedule we are not able to take care of our hair, and sometimes our hairs become really frizzy, sometimes dull and very dry. So this mask which I'm going to be sharing with you guys will provide moisture, which will provide shine, and it will also smoothen out your hair, and it will also make your hair super strong. Make sure you try out this hair mask because, as I already said, this mask works so beautifully. Now to get that straight, silky, smooth hair, let's begin. Also, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, as I very often upload videos on my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell icon so that you don't miss my posts. Without wasting the time, let's just get into the video. These are the key ingredients which you would be needing for making this mask. Everything mentioned over here is easily available in your kitchen. You don't have to go out and buy these things. Everything will be easily available in your kitchen. So the very first ingredient, the key ingredient of this mask would be a banana. Now banana contains vitamins, it contains natural oils, and it is rich in potassium. Banana is very good for your hair growth, and I always use banana whether it's on my face or on my hair. Next ingredient which you would be needing is a butter. Now the substitute of butter is mayonnaise, avocado, olive oil, and butter is rich in vitamin E and D. It provides greens to your hair, and it also repairs your hair and also helps in smoothing out your hair. So the next ingredient is honey. Honey is beneficial for so many things, whether you talk about skin or hair. Now for hair, honey provides shine. It also moisturizes your hair ends, also your scalp. It reduces the hair breakage. The fourth ingredient we need is the lemon juice. Now we all know lemon juice has so many amazing benefits in reduction of dandruff. It also restores the pH level, clean your scalp, like it is called as a deep cleanser for your hairs. Now the fourth ingredient which we need is a coconut oil. Now coconut oil is best for the hair growth. It adds luster, shine, sleek to your hair, and it also fights with lice and other insect bites on your hair. Now the very last ingredient which you need is a egg. Egg is beneficial for providing the vitamin E and A to your hair, and it also helps in providing that sleekness and smoothness to your hair, and it makes your hair healthy. Now let's begin and make this mask. So I am using one banana. If you want, you can also use half banana according to your hair length, and then cut it into small pieces and put it in a ball. Then you can also use a fork to mash it out. I am adding butter over here. You need to microwave this butter for at least 10 to 15 seconds and then add it into the banana. I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can definitely add more according to your hair length. Next thing which I'm doing is adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can also add 1 tablespoon, and then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey. Now once everything is added, I'm going to grind all the ingredients, and then this is the paste which has come out. Now you don't have to add water to this because this paste is already so watery, and this should be the consistency of your paste which you can easily apply on your hair ends or your scalp. Now one thing which I skipped to film was adding egg to the paste, so you need to add 1 egg to this paste. First, make sure that you're combing your hair so that there are no tangles, because just in case there are tangles, you're applying a banana, it's going to be very hardened for you to take out the banana later on. And so make sure that you're combing your hair. Take out the jewelry if you want, just wear an old t-shirt. And then I'm using this brush to apply the paste on my hair scalp or the hair ends. If you want, you can also use your fingers, or there are various types of like containers or small containers which are helpful for applying the paste evenly on your scalp. If you want, you can also do that, but unfortunately at the moment I didn't had one, so that's why I'm using this dye brush, I think coloring brush. So I'm just applying this paste evenly on my hair. So I have actually 2 methods to apply this paste. So one is I go sideways, like from one side to the other side. So first I complete the one side and then I go to the other side. Just evenly apply it on your roots and then move towards your hair ends. Make sure that you're applying the paste on each and every corner. And the other method which I do is just do a middle parting, and then after a middle parting I just start from the middle and then I go sideways. So just start from the middle, go till back at the end, and then start moving from either left side or the right side. So whichever method is easier for you, you can do that. Now this way the mask is evenly applied on each and every corner of my head. That's why I either choose the middle parting way or the side parting way. So that totally depends upon you. It's your choice. Whatever you feel like comfortable with, you can do that. But just make sure that you're applying the paste evenly on all over your head. Now also apply it on your hair. And so this is how I'm doing. I'm just taking 1 tablespoon of paste on my hand and then evenly just massaging it on both of my hands and then evenly applying it on the hair end so that I can grab each and every hair, and then it is easily applied on each and every corner of my hair. Now make sure you are also giving a nice massage to your head this way, just in case if any of the part of your head is left out, it will also be covered. Now at the end I have just covered my head with a small bag, like a poly bag, so that just in case I want to lie down somewhere and the paste is watery, it doesn't fall out. So keeping this mask for about like 40 to 45 minutes and then regular shampoo it, like use a mild shampoo. These are the end results. You see guys, this mask definitely makes my hair super shiny and super smooth. Now I apply this mask once a week or maybe twice a week, totally depends on my mood. Make sure you try it out. And so yeah, that was all about today's video. I hope you guys find this video super helpful, and I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social media handles, which is mentioned down below. And just in case you guys have not subscribed to my channel, just do it right now. And also share this mask with your friends, with your family. I am signing off from this video. I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care, be safe, bye bye.